All right, so I just realized uh, a slight mistake now. So we'll be editing our HTML, remove something and add something else. So inside this right, this div of class name right. So we declared a div here. So this is not going to be necessary again, and then we might leave it, but we want to remove it. But this particular one supposed to be inside another div. So and that is where the mistake I made before. So I supposed to put this inside another div. So now I'll be removing this. Then come here and declare a div. So and I'll be giving it a class name of Qur'an detail. So let's say Qur'an detail. Qur'an detail. Then okay. So let me just cut this. Now then I'll come and paste it here. Okay, so now save. So now we have, after our class right, so we have another div called Quran detail, and that is where the title of the Quran, so I just give it Quran, then reciter would be appearing. Then before we now go to middle and all of that. Okay, so let's quickly style that. Which one did we do last? Right dot middle then button. Okay, so now I'll be talking about the Quran detail. So what do we have there? We just a position. Position should be relative. Where I am. Where am I? I don't know. Okay. So position should be relative. Then I'll be declaring a width for it. Width 80. Let me make it 80%. Then the overflow should be hidden. Overflow should be hidden. And also margin bottom what's this? Supposed to be hidden. Then margin bottom. I'm going to be using EM for that. So it's okay. Let me use 6.5. Seems I'm good to go now. We can add border if we so like, anything. So let's save this and then come here. So before I refresh, so this is what we have for this Qur'an. So remember, I've removed this 1/2, then we will just be left with this Qur'an and Abdullah. So that is what I just typed now. Okay, so since we are done with that, we are going to be moving to the title now inside that Quran detail. So title inside Quran detail. Okay, let me first remove this comment. Quran detail, then title, and I'll be talking about, okay, it seems I have some of what I want to talk about here. Strength transform, so I want it to be capitalized, a little bit capitalized. Then color should be FFF, then font size, it's okay this way. So I can remove all this. I've declared that up there, so okay. Then after that, we are going coming to the, so I'm not going to be using right to say, since the reciter is inside Quran detail, so that's what I'm going to be writing. That is what I'll be writing there too. Quran detail, then reciter. So text transform, capitalize, color should be white as it is before. Then font size should be 18 pixel as it is before. Margin top, do I had margin top before? Then transform, translate text. So text transform, capitalize, color, font size, then margin. Okay, let me check it the way it is now and see. But I'll need to add margin. Okay, control S. Let's come here. So this is what we just styled. We gave it a color, we set it to be capitalized. This is showing what happened. The title, where is it? So now Quran, then Abdullah Khan. Text transform. Okay. So now we are going to the next thing, which is our duration. So duration, we have a class name called duration, and it is put inside the class name right. So we said the position should be absolute. Absolute. Okay, let me make some changes. Oh wow, let me check something here. I wanted to add margin top to that of Qur'an, that of the reciter. Is it necessary? Let me check the difference. Margin top. Let's see if there is any difference. Okay, that's better. So having done that, we're going to the duration now. So the duration, I'm going to be declaring margin top, I used to film the last time. So, what is happening? Okay. Then position, I don't want it to be absolute. Okay, let's check which one is better, if it's we declare it to be absolute and when it is relative. Transform of it, I'm going to remove it. So position absolute, then bottom of this left 50%. These are not necessary. Let's check what we have here. So this is it. So it's not normal. So I'm going to be moving something. Display should still be flex, align item should still be centered, justify content should be centered. Width, let me change the width to like 80%. Then what is height and duration? Okay, I've added margin top up today. I didn't know I put it down here, so let me just remove this. Okay, let me just, only one thing I want to confirm now. I want to see the kind of position I should use, maybe absolute or relative. So let me just check this absolute. No. Yes, it should be relative. it's getting better now. So this is it here. Now let's go to what. Okay, let's talk about something else. I still need to start that duration further. So the range. So I want to start the range now. Duration. Then input range. Type okay. Input type range, then so that it's going to be as large as this. You can see this one is wider than this. So I'll be adding flex to it. So I'm going to put some flex and just one. Okay, that's better now. Okay, having done that, let me see if we have not spent too much. Wow. All right, let's see in the next class. Bye.